If you come to get.io and look at the price of Bloom before now, let's say a few months ago, it is called the price of Bloom was 0.2035, and market begin to move upward, come back down, move again upward, come back down, and right now you can see the market at this very point, but the market hit 0.028 at this very area right here, which means this market have capability of moving all the way to the upside. Now take a look at coin like Uni, which is a fair launch coin. It was below $1, but right now as I speak is $15 for 1 uni, which means the Bloom token have the capacity of doing very, very much higher, just like Uni. This is what I'll be discussing in this very video. If you like content like this, consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Take a look at this chart right here. If you look at the very beginning from this very point, market move upward and then retracement. Normally markets have to retrace after an impulsive move, and the market retrace and then start another impulsive move again all the way upward. That was when we see Bloom hit this very price level of 0.011, and then it retraced again back down. You can see right here, market retrace, and after that retracement we see this major move from this very area of support all the way to this very point. One thing very important here is this is just pre-market. Okay, Bloom is not listed anywhere, and we believe strongly it is going to be listed on the major exchange very, very soon. But the question is, are you on this airdrop? Are you taking it seriously? Because after the listing is going to pump all the way to the upside. However, before that listing, I am expecting the Bloom token on pre-market to still move upward. Why am I saying that? If you look at technically from this very candle, this candle have a lot of momentum to still move all the way to the upside. As you can see right here on the chart, there is still momentum for this candle to move upward. However, if you look at the price action and you look at this moving average, you discover the moving average still dilating from one another at this very point, also indicate that the market is going to move upward on pre-market. And if you also look at the volume indicator, we have a very strong volume at this very point. This volume was also very strong, and the one forming right now is for this very candle that is bearish. However, I am still looking at the market moving upward, and that is what I am paying attention to right now on Bloom pre-market. Market should still move all the way to the upside, and I am looking at before listing, this very price should hit 0.03 or 0.05. And as Bitcoin begin to move upward above $100,000, market on this very Bloom pre-market price should move to that very level. Already we've seen 0.028. So where is 0.03? So 0.03 is very, very possible up to 0.05. Remember, we're talking about a token that have 100 billion total supply, which means this token have greater capacity of doing very well. Like I always say, Bloom is not just another play to earn token. It is a token that have utility, and the utility is a MEMEPAD, which I'll talk about in a moment. But before then, if you look at the MACD indicator, you discover that after the crossover right at this very point, markets begin to move upward with the formation of the MACD histogram on the positive side. And if you look at the histogram right at this very area, you discover that there is an increased momentum to the upside, which means markets have capacity of still moving on the chart upward. That is what you should be paying attention to right now if you are on this airdrop. I am saying all this so that you take your airdrop seriously. Do your tax and do all you need to do to ensure you get more of the Bloom token, because I personally believe that this very token is going to do well in the market, and getting it from airdrop, no matter how little ton you spend, is worthwhile. especially into the heat of the bull market in 2025. So pay attention to these guys, and maybe if you are trading on pre-market, also look at market still continuing this movement all the way to the upside as we approach next year, and also before the Bloom listing on major exchanges. This is very, very important. Like I said earlier, if you look at overview right at this very point, you discover that Bloom have a total supply of 100 billion, and the 100 billion token probably is going to be in circulation, 100 of them. 100 billion in circulation with this very price mean that Bloom is going to have a very, very significant market capitalization at listing. That is when it hits the market. And when that will come, no one knows for now. We are waiting for the Bloom team. So pay attention to this chart, guys. It's very, very important to all of us that is on this very airdrop, because as price begin to move upward, then that also means that the allocation that will be given to you when that will be done will be significant in dollar equivalent. And if you come back to the Bloom homepage, that is the Bloom homepage here, and you go to the Bloom MEMEPAD, you discover the Bloom MEMEPAD is just like Uniswap. The token that back Uniswap is Uni, and for Bloom MEMEPAD is the Bloom token. And you look at another DEX like PancakeSwap, which cake is the native token. So all of these DEXs, you discover that the token have done crazily well. If you look at the chart, okay, from when the token was listed or was launched, the same thing is going to happen to Bloom. Bloom is not just another play to earn like Amstar Combat, X Empire, and the like. I'm not trying to bring down those projects. No, I am trying to let you understand that Bloom have a real utility. Bloom already have use case, which, for example, the MEMEPAD is not something that is promised that is going to happen in the future. We are seeing it live, it's ongoing, which means the Bloom token is going to do well in the future, especially in the heat of the bull market. So the best time to get Bloom token is right now. Don't wait for any person. So you take your mining seriously, go to the homepage, do all the tags, go to the friends section, refer your friends, and all the activities, watch those videos and get those code, put in right there, get the Bloom points, and ensure your mining is moving upward to the next level. By so doing, you are going to be accumulating more Bloom points. What that also means is that at allocation, you'll be given greater percentage of this very token. Therefore, if the price of the token keep going upward, the value of your token at listing is going to be significant. So the best time to do all you need to do on this very airdrop is right now. So just focus on this very airdrop and many others that are very, very legit. Like I always say that if you want to do airdrop, you do it at your leisure. Not only that, the one that you want to do it very well. What I mean by that is put in your energy and do it very well, because you don't really know the one that is going to pay off massively. Now, for me, I believe that the Bloom airdrop is going to pay off massively because we've already seen use cases. If we have coin like dogs, okay, that they don't even have use case, do that much. What do you think about the Bloom token? The Bloom token is going to do even more better, okay? And that is why you need to jump on board right now. Since mining have not ended yet, it is the right time. Link in the description of this very video and do all the necessary tasks that you need to do. So if you come to the end section right here, there is a new quest here. So if you've not done it, just quickly do it and try and refer your friends, because when your friend mines, you get all the bonuses, all the Bloom points, which also help increase your reward. So this is what you must have to do if you really want this very airdrop and you want to get the best out of this airdrop, especially during allocation, TGE, and also listing on major exchange. If there is any project that I am banking on right now, Bloom is one of them. Take this very seriously, guys. It's going to pay off. I believe so from the little research I have done so far. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one, also check the channel for other crypto content and join our Telegram channel with the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. If you want to learn how to trade crypto as a beginner, check this video right here. It's going to guide you through the process. And also, if you want to know when the altcoin season is going to start, check this video right here too. It's going to help you know the right time the altcoin season is going to start. Thanks for supporting this channel.